ये बॉडी वॉडी के चक्कर में पड़ने से पहले ये वीडियो देख लेना. Hey, I'm Jazz from Man Matters and let me tell you a story about a sport called sacrifice, also known as bodybuilding. And this time we got the chance to cover and train. Bhai, this man is a real life lion, sher hai, and a true Sikh warrior. Swaraj Singh, who competed in the Sheru Classic and won a gold and a bronze medal in the event. But that's just the flashy part. The real part was एक pro bodybuilding event और athlete को देखकर ये समझ आया these guys don't compete with each other. They compete with the sacrifices they made it to reach here. The sacrifice of their muscle being sore, never being satisfied with their physique and constant investing in their body. But dil se ek baat bolu, seeing all these athletes, consumer, builders, even beginners engrossed in this peak male content where everyone is watching the show, trying out Man Matters product. By the way, there's a new lime flavor. UFC की fighting हो रही है, weightlifting हो रही है. Because everyone wants to achieve one single thing, that is to be disciplined. Because down the line, it matters. It matters to everyone. Man Matters.